Hello, welcome to Lovely's Crafting Lodge. Today I have a box from Kiesha's Creations, and this was a prize that I won for getting to one of her tiers. So she does little giveaways and things like that. So it's punch cards. This is the way she used to do it. This was an older box. So yeah, I punched out all my 4 cards with incentives and things like that, and this is what I earned, is this mystery box. So she made this little thank you here. She's so creative with all the things that she does. So I'm not sure exactly what's in this box. I believe it's everything to make a journal. So I have some stencils here. And this was the ribbon that was on the outside, and of course I saved it, but it's soft and beautiful. It says, congratulations on your Tier 4 journal kit. Hope you enjoy the items to make a journal, or at least get started on one. Happy crafting. Ooh. Ooh. Fire upon the earth. That looks really cool. What is this? Oh, it's a napkin. There's a napkin in it. Oh, wow. This is really neat. Alright, what is this? Oh, this looks like some fabric. So I can only imagine all the things that are in here. So this is a fabric. This will look really good on the spine. I wonder if she probably hand selected all this stuff and like made it into the kit. Ooh. This is to make this is wax linen thread and the needle to sew it in. Wow, it really is. If you didn't have anything, you could just use this. I love this bag. Feels so, feel like really dense cheesecloth. Ooh, little button stickers and like a maroon colored lace. Oh yeah, it looks like leaves almost. Oh, that's really neat. It's like a whole order from her. Is like what's in here. There's flowers, little bows. Ooh, that flower's really pretty right there. Ooh, broken jewelry. Beautiful. Oh, I love it. And then it has embroidery thread in there too. It's a bunch of trims. She said that these were, I believe she said these are vintage trims. I don't know how to tell the difference. But it's elastic. Ooh, this could be for a traveler's notebook. Lace. This is really pretty. Like a peachy color. Oh, I've never had lace like this before. This is neat how it's like scalloped on one end. Ooh, yeah, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, what's this? Oh, it's like crocheted on the ends. Ew, can you see? Oh, that's so cool. Another little piece right here. I love little pieces of stuff. They're just so fun. Ooh, doilies. Oh, this doily has like fabric in it. That is neat. Ooh, look at this one. It's another scalloped one. It's like a double scalloped. And an applique. I don't know, this is giving me like Greek and Scottish vibes. I don't know why. Alright, what's this? What's this? What are you? Gold paper clip. Beautiful. You know I'm keeping this. Little card that says memories. This envelope alone is beautiful. What's in here? Oh my gosh, things are coming out. Like little screws. Oh, it's a book plate. That's why there's screws in there. Oh, it's a little jingle bell. So we got a book plate. We have a really golden key. I bet that would ink up really good with alcohol inks. Some check. Coat check tag. Vellum. Oh my gosh. Envelope. I love these kinds of tags. What are these called? Ooh, that looks like it's jelly printed. Ooh, I love it. What's this? I don't know. They're like perforated alteration tag, maybe. Is that what it's called? It's those little screws. I don't want to lose those. Ooh, little cards. These are so cool. I wonder if everybody's is like this. There's another. It's a tassel on the paper clip. Paper. Ooh, glitter. I love glitter. Glitter. I know some people are adverse to glitter. I am not one of those people. Ooh, this is Tim Holtzy vibes. Ooh, that's pretty too. Oh, what's all this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is all this? I had no idea it was like this. This is really a serious gift. What is this? Two-way tape? I don't even think I've ever had that. Oh, these are yo-yos. Oh, how fun. And buttons. What is this? Oh, this is so neat. It's like all this different fiber situation happening. Oh, I hope that comes through and you can see it. Oh, it's so pretty. And the textures, it's like, it's very soft. And it's like little baubles, but it's confined. It's not like a Harry Wild situation. It's really nice. We have all different kinds. It looks like different types of fibers on there, on the little embroidery floss. Oh wow, it's a little envelope made from map. From a map. That's cool. What's this? Oh, a dyed envelope. Ooh. Oh, a doily envelope. Ooh, that's really neat. It's like flowers. He will play. Yes. Flashcards. There's some dyed paper. Oh, wow. That is like really dyed, really saturated. I wonder who did that. Oh, that's really pretty. Ooh, those are fun. Fun papers. Got some napkins. I do love napkins. Oh, stamps! Postage stamps. I don't have hardly any postage stamps. Those will be fun to play with. So there's a rose. And I don't know what flower that is. Maybe a rose? A rose? Peony, maybe? Anyway. That's really pretty. I love the library tags. What is this? Ooh, raffle tickets. Pretty. Just ephemera. Just old stuff. Oh, this is Edith Holden. I can tell by the handwriting. She has very particular handwriting. There's some paper. Oh, this is painter's paper. This is really neat. I love green. That color green. Ugh, it's my jam. I haven't always liked green. It hasn't always been my favorite. But more recently, it's been more my favorite. Like an olive type of green. This looks like all original, oldie kind of old-timey stuff. Oh, wow, it's got like holes in it where it's been punched. $2.30. Look out, homie. July 27, 1960. Old envelope with a letter inside. It's from Catherine. There's another one. Feels like there's two here. Yep, there's two. Oh, look at the stamps on the back. That's neat. Oh, and the signature. This is so cool. 1917 ledger. Yes. Wow. This is, I believe this is onion skin paper. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, look, it's not even a staple, it's a pin. Oh, that is So cool. How do you use this? Anybody, how do you use this? Oh, jeez. Sorry, I got all quiet. I'm just like completely immersed in this. This is so interesting. Oh, wow. Just like all these old documents. Oh, wow. Peppermint stick zinnias. Wow, what a package. That was amazing. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. So, again, this is from Kiesha's Creations, and this was like the bonus thing that she had going on for a while. She's starting a new rewards card, a new punch card system. So this Friday, if you see this video in time, this Friday, the 9th of December, she's going to be having a live sale. And she has live sales usually the first weekend of every month. So I'll put her channel link in the description. But go check her out, Kiesha's Creations live auction. It is so much fun. She just goes to the wee hours of the night into the morning, actually. So, yeah, I gotta get off here and go play with this. This is just too much. I love it. All right, thanks, and I'll see you back here next time at Lovely's Crafting Lodge.